Hi, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing good and looking forward to the holidays. So, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Black Friday haul, which contains great deals on high-end makeup, hair care products, clothes, and many more. During the Black Friday season, the UK was on a second lockdown, so I was unable to shop in stores. So the products were purchased in various shops online, and now I have finally received all the items on my Black Friday deals. So let's get straight into it. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this curling wand. So this curling wand from Arogs was originally $17.99, and I got it on the Black Friday deal for only £10.99. So this is it. So this is what it looks like at the back. And I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. I haven't opened it yet, so this is a great deal. I wasn't too sure which one to get because they also had this brand Paul Smith in the curling iron. I wasn't sure whether to get the curling iron or the curling wand, but I see many people these days are using the curling wand, and it seems to be easier to use than the curling iron. That's why I got this curling wand. But both the curling wand and the curling iron were both on sale for £10.99, and it was originally £17.99. Like, wow, what a bargain. Next, I got these TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo, and I also got their conditioner, the same brand TRESemmé, which is also called Moisture Rich. So I got both of them, and these again were from Superdrug, and they were originally £5, and I got them on a deal for £2.25. Like, wow. Wow, this is such a good deal. So I got one conditioner and two of the shampoos, so I'm really glad about this deal. And I have used this TRESemmé Moisture Rich shampoo and the conditioner in the past, and I have to say they're actually really good. And the good thing about these is that they're also really big as well. They're both 800ml. They're both 800ml, only for £2.25, and they were originally £5. So wow. And the next items that I'll be showing you is from the shop MAC Cosmetics. Like, I love MAC products. Like, MAC was actually my first high-end makeup. So what I got from MAC Cosmetics are these two lipsticks. So one of them is Sin, is in the shade Sin, and the other one is in the shade Media. These are both my favorite shade of lipsticks to use from MAC Cosmetics. Like, I love their lipstick, and I was actually running out of them. So this is the old lipstick in the shade Sin. As you can see, it's nearly finished. And this is the new one. So now I'm just opening the new lipstick. Yeah, see. So this is the new one. See? And this is the old one. So I still got more to use from the lipstick, because this is a lipstick that I use regularly, this matte lipstick in the shade Sin, and it's actually what I have on right now. So this is the shade that I actually have on, Sin. And also what I love about it is that it's a matte lipstick. I love the matte finish of this Sin lipstick. So now I will show you the Media, and this is my old one. So let me show you. Wow, our old lipstick in the shade Media. It's nearly finished. Like, I love the shade Media. This is a satin finish. So this is just a new one. This is the same thing I just want to show you. I love these type of shades. Like, I love like burgundy and deep red shades on my lips. Like, I just feel they would suit me best than other brighter shades. I also like plums as well. I love plum shades. I just love these type of shades on my lips. So these MAC Cosmetic lipsticks were £17.50, and I got it on a deal for £14. Like, I really like these lipsticks. Like, I really love using these lipsticks. These are lipsticks that I use nearly every day. It's just because now we are now wearing face masks because of this pandemic. I don't really use lipsticks much now because I don't want it smudging it on my face mask. As when I remove my face mask, then I would put the lipstick. The scene is what I have on right now, like I said, but yeah, I love these shades, Media and Sip. And another high-end makeup that I got, which is Clinique. Like, I love this foundation. Like, I love it so much. And I've done a review on this foundation, so you can check it out. I'll put it here on the cards above that I got, and you can check it out, and I'll also put in the description box. So yeah, I really love this foundation. Like, this is the foundation that I have on right now. And what I love about this foundation is that it gives full coverage, it looks natural, and it feels lightweight on the skin. I can't really feel it. It's not the lightest or the most lightweight foundation I've tried, no. There are other foundations that I really can't feel a thing. But with this, once I apply, I'm kind of used to this foundation, so I can't really feel anything from it. I can't really feel a thing. But when I first started using it, I could feel it a bit. So this is it. So this is the foundation. And this is my old one, and it's in the shade Amber. So yeah, this is my old one that I'm currently using, and it's nearly finished, and this is the new one. And this, I got it from the Clinique website, and this was originally £29, and I got it on the Black Friday deal for £21.75. Like, wow, great deal. And I got these Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. So this is what they look like, and I got them in two different shades, which is 4.2 and 4.05. So let me just show you what it looks like inside the box. So this is the shade 4.2, and this one is the shade 4.05. So the reason why I got two different shades is simply because I wasn't sure what would be my shade since I purchased these items online. So now I've tried these foundations, and I feel the 4.05 suits me best. So this one in the shade 4.2, I'm not keeping it. I will be returning it. So this foundation was originally £30, and on the Black Friday deal, I got it for £24. So yeah, that's good. And these are high-end foundations. Like, it's medium to full coverage, transfer proof, and it won't oxidize. So this is a really good foundation from a great brand, Smashbox. So this is another high-end foundation that I got from Boots, which is the Yves Saint Laurent foundation. Excuse my French, I'm not French, I can't speak French. So yeah, this is the foundation that I got from Boots, and it's in the shade BD70 Warm Mocha. So this is what it looks like. I bought this foundation because it's a dewy finish, and it gives radiance to the skin, which is true. I love that it gives radiance to the skin. And another thing about this foundation is that it's lightweight, and the consistency of it, it's kind of watery, which I'm not really used to, but it's alright. Yeah, this is a lovely foundation. So this foundation was originally £36. I got it on the Black Friday deal for £30.60. Like, wow. This designer foundation. Yeah. I also got some baby clothes from Boots. So I bought some baby clothes for my baby nephew that was just born last week. And I also got this design as well. So I got it in different designs. And this is by the brand Mothercare. And I got, wow, this is so cute. Wow. My baby nephew is gonna love this. And lastly, I got this. I also got this style as well for him. So these that I've just shown you are an all-in-one baby suit, and it's from the brand Mothercare. So So I didn't realize that Boots also sell Mothercare stuff, which is really good. And I wasn't sure the sex of the baby, so I got neutral colors. And I was also going to get one that was pink, but it was sold out. It must have been a sign to know that it was going to be a boy and I'm going to have a nephew. So I can't wait for him to try it. Yeah, I'm just going to show you a bit, but I'm not going to really remove it. But this is what it looks like. But I don't really want to remove this packaging because this is a gift for my nephew. So this all-in-one suit was originally £5 and I got it on a really good deal for £3.75. Like, wow, I'm so happy. Like, just look at them. So cute. So the next items I'm going to show you are not a part of the Black Friday deals, but they were purchased around that time and have also just been delivered. So I thought that they deserve to be a part of this haul. So here we go. So now I'm going to start with Ikea. Wow. So I got this panda, so cute. And this big old bear. So this is what I purchased from Ikea. So if you know, this bear has been a meme all over social media and I ordered these for my baby nephew. Now looking at this, it seems too big for him and might scare him, as he's only a newborn. So I think I'll keep him and he can have the panda. Like, you are never too old for a big teddy. Like, wow, just look at his belly. Gosh, he's so squishy and big. And the panda is also really cute. Let me just give you a close-up of him, this panda. So cute. So my nephew's gonna have this and I'll keep the big brown teddy. But yeah, this teddy I got him for £25. This again wasn't on any deal. This is the original price for the teddy. And also this panda, I got it for £3.50, which is really affordable. And it's also like great quality as well. This is quite big for the price, £3.50. Like, good. So the next items I'm going to show you are from eBay. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this pink wood crucifix, and this is to hang on the wall. So this, I really like it because I've never seen a pink crucifix before. This will look so good on my wall. And this I got it for £11.49, which is not bad. So yeah, this is it again. Then I got two makeup brushes, but they're by different sellers. This one was £2.50 and it's a flat top brush. So this is what it looks like. It's really soft and I love the handle. And I do love using flat top brushes. I prefer using flat top brushes than any type of brush or beauty blender. I prefer using a brush, and I prefer a flat top brush to apply and blend in my foundation. So this is another flat top makeup brush that I also bought, and this has a pink handle. I purchased it from a different seller on eBay, but I think this was also £2.50. Really soft as well. I love these type of brushes for applying and blending my makeup. And the last item is this makeup cleansing pad. So this is what it looks like. And this was also really affordable. This one I got it for £2.55. It's also a good deal as well. And what I like about this is that it has different patterns on it. So it has different patterns to clean your makeup brushes thoroughly. So yeah, I really like that. So yeah, that's it for this haul. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get more updates on my new and upcoming videos. Okay? See you next time. Bye!